Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply restore all your phone book contact from Gmail account into your SIM card. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your contacts. So I'm going to click on my contacts right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on import/export contacts. Then the next thing you need to do here is to simply select your Gmail account or your Google account. Then the next thing you need to do is to choose the SIM that you want to restore the contacts to. I'm going to simply select this particular SIM right here. And you have everything right there. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to select all the SIM contacts. So you have all the contacts been selected. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on OK right here. And with that, all the contacts will be fully restored back from your Gmail or from your Google account into your SIM card without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.